In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your age on Roblox. First, log into your Roblox account. On a computer, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. From the menu, go to Account Info. Here under your birthday, you'll see a button labeled Verify My Age. Click or tap it to begin. A pop-up will explain the steps and let you know you'll need a valid ID and a mobile device. If you're on a computer, a QR code will appear. Scan it with your phone to open the verification page. If you're already on mobile, you'll be taken there directly. Tap Start Session to continue. The verification system, powered by Persona, will ask to use your phone's camera. Make sure to allow access. First, capture a clear photo of the front of your ID. If your ID has a barcode on the back, such as the Philsys National ID, you'll be asked to scan that too. Afterward, you'll need to take a selfie. Sometimes you may be asked to move your head or blink to confirm you're a real person. Persona securely matches your selfie with your ID photo without storing your raw biometric data. Once submitted, the verification takes less than a minute. When it's complete, return to Roblox. The Verify My Age button will now show age verified, confirming your account is successfully verified. Thank you for watching this video.